Good morning, guys. I will start this vlog here on the promenade. We are heading to Playa del Troya, or Troy Beach. The island that you see in front, it's called La Gomera. And this is how the promenade looks at 9 o'clock in the morning. Behind us, over there, that one, it's Playa de las Americas. I see a lot of guys doing surfing over there. Here on our right, we have a hotel with a private pool. This promenade offers stunning views of the Atlantic Ocean with picturesque sunsets and a lively beachfront atmosphere. Troya Beach, it's over there somewhere. Let's go. It's a pleasure to walk on this promenade early in the morning. Listen to the waves crashing on the shore. You'll find palm-lined pathways, making it an ideal spot for a walk, jog, or a bike ride, if you prefer it. The promenade is lined with a variety of cafes, bars and restaurants offering local Canarian dishes, seafood and international cuisine. Beachfront bars provide a relaxed vibe with cocktails and live music. I see most of the bars are open. The time now it's 15 minutes past 9 in the morning. I see a man here drink his morning coffee, and what's more beautiful than drinking coffee and look at the ocean. It's not long now, and we'll reach Troy Beach. I think you're able to see it in the left hand side, but this in a different vlog.